Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. If you're new here, this channel is all about bringing you real work from home job leads so that you can begin your journey of work-life balance and live your happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the healthcare insurance company United Healthcare. It is a customer service job and it is for my United States only, folks. However, this one is just a little bit different. They really don't require any healthcare experience at all, and they require very minimal actual work experience. And you can have your education and schooling override that, so they really require no experience at all to be qualified for this position. This is perfect for those of you who are wanting to get in the healthcare field, in the work from home healthcare field, and don't have any experience. This will get you in the door. You can start learning the healthcare terminology and everything, and then once you get 6 months to a year experience, you can transition over and be eligible for the non-phone work from home jobs in the insurance field, such as billing, coding, all that good stuff. So if you're looking for a foot in the door in the work from home healthcare field, customer service is the way to do it. Now, United Healthcare is offering a $1,500 sign-on bonus for anyone external who does not already work for United Healthcare. And it says that you need to be located either in the Eastern Standard Time, Central Standard Time, or Mountain Standard Time zones. That pretty much covers the entire United States. This is a full-time position, 40 hours a week, and their hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. They are also offering 9 weeks of paid training. The hours during training are 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So this is a daytime full-time position. It does say you'll take as many as 50 to 70 calls per day from customers who have questions about their health insurance benefits. So you'll use the tools that they provide to help you look up customers' plans, customer information, and help them. It is just all about the customer service. They do require a high school diploma or GED or equivalent work experience, so no degree at all is actually required. A minimum of 3 years of combined education, work, or volunteer experience. So no actual work experience is required either. No healthcare experience. That is their required. Now they do have some preferred qualifications, but remember, preferred does not mean required. You can get hired without having any of these. Customer service experience would be a plus, healthcare or insurance experience would be a plus, or social work, behavioral health work would be a plus. You are required to have a dedicated workspace in your house because of HIPAA laws. You cannot have other people around when you are working. You do need to make sure that you can have high-speed internet that will work with the computer equipment. They will provide all the computer equipment for you. Now, as far as pay for these positions, some states require pay to be published while other states do not by law. But it looks like between the published pay for Colorado and Nevada residents, pay starts at $16 an hour and can go all the way up to $29 an hour. So on the low end, you'll get paid $16 an hour with that $1,500 sign-on bonus. If this position was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments down below anything specific that you are looking for, along with any education and experience that you have. I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.